holidays, everybody. I'm sitting here under my Christmas tree because I just happen to love Christmas. It's my favorite time of the year. And I just wanted to stop in and say hi to you all, and I hope you're enjoying a happy holidays. It's always so much fun going on and a lot of interesting service projects, and some of you have been letting me know about it, and I really appreciate it. So let's just talk with our weekly chat here. First of all, I'm sure by now you all are aware of Kathleen Triber's retirement. She has served quota for nearly 30 years, and we really hate seeing her go, but we wish her all the best. I'm sure that she has lots of good things in store for her, and we do wish her all the best. And we love you, Kathleen, and we're going to miss you. It's going to be a hard act to follow, too. I hope that you have had a chance to view the video from our President, Laura Lehman, about the presidential Asian trip. That sounds absolutely exciting. Can you imagine visiting all of those different places and seeing the quota service projects, the hand-in-hand projects firsthand? That would be an absolute wonderful Christmas gift, wouldn't it? And so I hope that you have a chance to learn about it and to sign up for it if you possibly can. And of course, there will be more details as it gets a little bit closer to that. So keep checking the quota website for updates. I thought, what a wonderful time of year to give a gift of quota. So I hope that you're keeping your membership top of mind in your clubs, and give me 5. Give me 5. Talk about that in your club and see if you can get 5 new members by the end of the year. That would be so incredible. I think that we all need to make sure that membership is always kept top of mind, but especially now, this time of year, I suggest that you invite potential members to all of your service projects, to all your wonderful Christmas parties. It's a time to get to know them and a time for them to see what your quota club is doing. So give me 5 and give the gift of quota for the Christmas. Wouldn't that be great to have 5 new members per club? A couple of quick ideas. We're sharing new membership ideas as we hear them, and one of them I thought was really interesting, particularly those who are in a downtown area or have a thriving downtown. A coffee club where these quota members meet for coffee before they start their workday. What a great idea. That would be so simple to do. And you could have your coffee, share with each other, and plan quota projects at that time and having coffee. And there's nothing like a good belt of caffeine to get you started, huh? Yeah, I think you could accomplish quite a bit with that. That's a great idea. I know you're going to be juggling a lot of things these days, and I hope that in your life that quota is part of that juggling act. I know we're juggling family and careers and quota, of course, and service and so many other things. But I want you to take the time this time of year to think of those things that are really important. Those people that quota helps in so many different ways, and not just this time of year, but year-round. So as you're thinking about juggling all the parties and the gaiety that you're going to be participating in, please don't forget all of those people who are lonesome, who are needy. Visit the elderly, take care of the sick. Remember those that might be abused or homeless. It's what we do in quota, and it's what we do best. From myself and my family, I wish you all a blessed holiday season and a very, very happy and prosperous new year. Please keep in touch. Send me an email and let me know what's going on in your club. We've got a lot of great things coming up in 2013, and I am honored to be on this wonderful adventure called Quota with you. So Pepper, say goodbye to everybody. Say Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. See you all later. Bye.